My dear friends of the Triple T, Train the Trainer or Enlightened Warrior program or Quantum Leap or any friend from the USC or from the Scoopian, this is only for you. I'm going to give you the one of the coupon code for my Ikigai program. This Ikigai program is the best program I ever done in my life. Please remember that one, and thousands of people life were changed. Please see that this just some few feedbacks, and I'm giving you the offer because not the money, because I know that when if you find out your purpose and the passion, and if you really you can be transform the life of thousands of people. So I'm giving you the coupon code only for you people. The coupon code will be the triple T, and you can pay any amount about 999. This 9,000 rupees 7,000 rupees program I am giving you about 999 rupees only for one reason, and the reason is that I love you all. And if you don't like this program, forget about 999. I can give you back the 99,999. So only for the 27 friends from this community I am giving this program. So join it immediately, first come first serve basis, and transform your life. Don't like, do the all the sessions, do the assignment. Don't like, take the 1 lakh rupees back from me. I'll be giving the happily to you if you don't like this program. I'm so confident about this program. It's the best life transforming journey. Thank you and God bless.